Don't think that your thoughts don't translate into your physiology. Your thoughts metabolize themselves into the chemicals of your body. Why entertain those thoughts that are making your metabolism bad? This technique of silence makes you in control of your thoughts and gets rid of those bad ones. Therefore, your chemistry gets better. And it's obvious that blood pressure comes down. Heart rate variability. I've had so many patients tell me their heart rate variability got better. Blood pressure came down. They're able to come off 1 or 2 blood pressure medications. And that's not unusual. This is not unusual. We see that a lot. In your thoughts, you get sympathetic activity all the time. In silence, you get parasympathetic. Sympathetic, parasympathetic. You want to enhance your parasympathetic, you need to go into silence. You want to constantly entertain thoughts, you're going to get lots of sympathetic. Fight, flight, flight. Adrenaline all day long. And then, welcome to modern diseases. You want vagal tones. You get vagal tones through this breathing exercise and letting full control of your thoughts. Go into emptiness, go into silence, and you'll get a burst of parasympathetic into your body. Pulse rate goes down. That's why I like this one technique, which is the breathing technique. Breathing into the count of 4, breathing out to the count of 8. When you're doing that, at the same time as you do this silence, you're also stimulating your parasympathetic nerve, because it's expiration that stimulates parasympathetic. Inspiration stimulates sympathetic. That's why when you're all excited and stressed out, your breath is up there because you're stimulating that sympathetic nerve endings in your chest. But parasympathetic, you're breathing out. Long expiration. Now you're stimulating all the parasympathetic vagal nerves in your body. Because we are a modern society hooked on sympathetic stimulation. You need parasympathetic. In silence, which you need for survival, you're going to get vagal overtones. You're going to get parasympathetic stimulation. Parasympathetic is rest, restoration, relaxation, reproduction. That's the way it's supposed to be. The yin and the yang, yin and the yang. You're supposed to run away from the saber-toothed tiger. And as soon as he's out of sight, then you go behind a bush and sit down, and your breathing's supposed to come back to normal. And you're not supposed to worry that what's going to happen to me next, because the tiger's now gone. But no, modern life, we keep thinking the tiger's still chasing you and you're just running all day long. The tiger's gone. But you still think he's behind you all the time. That's modern life. You got to turn this off.